Hello and welcome to Year 2 Maths. This time I'm going to be doing multiplication and I'm going to be using lightning facts to help us. In Year 2 we find lightning facts very helpful, but they're made up of a few different parts. One part is knowing your 2, your 5 and your 10 times tables off by heart. We use these patterns to help us using lightning facts, and it's important that the children have a good strong basis of these 3 times tables. As well as those times tables, the children also need to know their square numbers. Again, this needs to be done by memory. These are important for learning not only lightning facts, but also from any sort of multiplication in the future. And children should become familiar with these and learn them off by heart. So, how do lightning facts work? Well, if you know your 5, your 2s and your 10 times tables and your square numbers, then you've got a good chance of knowing these ones already. So this is the 6 times table. Now as you can see, we already have 1 times 6, 2 times 6, 5 times 6, the square number 6 times 6, and 10 times 6. So with those numbers, we can help figure out other ones as well. This comes by adding 6 to what you've already got. So for example, to find 3 times 6, I just need to add 6 to 12. And that makes 18. To find 4 times 6, I can either add from 18, or I can take away 6 from 5 times 6. So 4 times 6 is 24. I can now use 36, which is 6 times 6, and I add 6 to make 7 times 6. And 7 times 6 is 42. Now this is the bit where it gets a little bit tricky. I then have to add 6 to 42 to get what 8 times 6 is, which is 48. Over here. And to find 9 times 6, you guessed it, I need to take away 6 from 60, which gives us 54. And that's how we can use lightning facts with any number to help us know our times tables. Even with the tricky 9 times tables, we can use our lightning facts and adding and taking away to do it. So for example, to find 3 times 9, all I need to do is add 9 to 18, which equals 27. If I want to find 4 times 9, all I have to do is take away 9 from 45. So 4 times 9 is 36. To find 6 times 9, all I have to do is add 9 to 45, because that's 5 times 9, which makes 54. Again, I have to add 9 to this number to find 7 times 9. So if I add 9 to 54, I get 63. And that's my 7 times 9 over here. To find 8 times 9, I need to take away 9 from 81, because that's 9 times 9. So that equals 72. And I already know 9 times 9, so then I just have 10 times 9, and that's already there. So this is how lightning facts can really help you know your times tables, especially when you're doing written work. And then the idea is that these strategies then become more mental later on. Thanks for listening to Maths with Mr. Davis. Bye.